What's up everybody, Rugens here from Punta Cana. And for those who don't know me, my channel is about tips and reviews of resorts. And because of coronavirus, for the past 2 months, I've been updating people about the situation here in Punta Cana and the Dominican Republic. So if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so. And also don't forget to click on the bell for the notifications. The video today is short but interesting. Hopefully you will watch it to the end. And while you're at it, don't forget to go to the description box to purchase your I Missed Punta Cana t-shirts. The Minister of Public Health affirms that there is a fall in the positive cases of COVID-19 in the Dominican Republic, despite the economic opening that has been arranged and that next Wednesday will have been 15 days. Rafael Sanchez Caldenas cited the case of Santiago that today reports 9 positive coronaviruses, when in reports last week there were 18, 19 and 12, and the figures earlier were much higher than the latter. So what we're looking at in Santiago is also a drop in the number of cases that are being reported in the country. And with everything that they are pointing out, we are experiencing a decrease in cases despite the fact that we are opening the economy. He attributes this to the fact that the measures implemented by the government are being effective and that most people are abiding by them, especially when it comes to the use of masks. So this is a good indicator in this regard, he says. However, Sanchez Caldenas indicated that there are other indicators that will be evaluated next Wednesday when the 15 days of the reopening are completed. In the report number 74, which was released today, the Minister of Public Health reported 287 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 for a total of 17,572. No deaths were reported today. In the yesterday report, 377 new cases were reported, and the same number contained report number 72, to add 1,041 positives to the virus in the last 3 consecutive days. Caldenas Sanchez says that 1,797 tests were carried out yesterday to detect the virus, and that in total 83,434 tests were carried out throughout the country. This footage was taken this morning at the metro in Santo Domingo. The social distancing is hardly being respected, as only the state's transport are in operation. The gradual and conditioned opening of the country's economic activities in successive phases depending on the development of the previous ones will have a decisive week. Wednesday will be the 14 days that the first phase would last, but the entry into a second phase will be done or not depending on whether the expectations of the first phase have been met, according to the details of the de-escalation plan announced by the government. It was decided that only 50% of the employees of micro and small companies return to their work, and a lower percentage for large companies. The public transport authorized to operate is the state, metro, cable car, and buses. But with a partial economic opening, the usual traffic jams were seen again in the streets and avenues of the capital. President Danilo Medina reported that the transition to a level of more freedom would depend on the behavior of citizens. The week that begins today will also evaluate the impact that relaxation of restrictions has had on the number of deaths and infections due to coronavirus.